Google, we want to support a healthy digital advertising ecosystem that is trustworthy, transparent, and works for users and advertisers. Our policies are built not only to abide by laws, but to ensure a safe and positive experience for our users. This means that our policies don't allow ads that we believe are harmful to users and to the advertising ecosystem. Violations of certain policies or the terms and conditions can lead to immediate account suspension. When you repeatedly violate certain Google Ads policies, we'll send a warning that explains the violation and provide the next steps to fix the issue. For some policy violations, you will have 7 days to fix or appeal the violation before your account is suspended. The following egregious policy violations can cause immediate suspension. Circumventing systems. Engaging in practices that interfere with Google's advertising systems and processes. These include cloaking, repeated policy violations across your accounts, creating new accounts after a previous suspension decision, submitting false information as part of a verification program, and more. A few common examples of circumventing systems are cloaking. Cloaking isn't allowed under the circumventing systems policy. This means you can't show different content on your website to different users, including Google, to try to hide things that might break our rules. Click tracking and redirecting users are okay, as long as you're not doing these things to try to hide that you're showing or doing anything that goes against our policies. Multiple account abuse. Multiple account abuse isn't allowed under the circumventing systems policy. This means you can't use different Google Ads accounts to try to get around our policies or show content that breaks our rules. Malicious software. Malware is software that aims to harm or get unapproved access to a computer, device, or network. These requirements apply to your ads and any software that your site or app either hosts or links to, regardless of whether the software is promoted through the Google advertising network. Prescription opioid painkillers. Google does not allow ads promoting or selling prescription opioid painkillers. This does not include medication-assisted treatment, MAT, drugs for opioid use disorder that meet all other requirements for prescription drugs listed on the Healthcare and Medicines policy page. Coordinated deceptive practices. Coordinating with other sites or accounts and concealing or misrepresenting your identity or other material details about yourself, where your content relates to politics, social issues, or matters of public concern. Unacceptable business practices. We want users to trust the ads on our platform, so we strive to ensure ads are clear and honest, and provide the information that users need to make informed decisions. We don't allow ads or destinations that deceive users by excluding relevant product information or providing misleading information about products, services, or businesses. Here are a few examples of content Google considers to be unacceptable business practices and are not allowed. Public figure impersonation. Public figure impersonation isn't allowed under the unacceptable business practices policy. This means you can't lure people to give you their money or personal information by pretending to be a public figure or making it seem like you have a connection to one when you don't. Phishing. Phishing isn't allowed under the unacceptable business practices policy. This means you can't try to get people to give you their personal information, like passwords and credit card numbers, by pretending to be a trusted or well-known company. Counterfeit. When your products are knockoffs, replicas, imitations, or otherwise inauthentic, but refer to a brand name as an attempt to pass them off as genuine. Non-genuine products that mimic brand features to try to pass as a genuine product. Promotion of unauthorized pharmacies, offering prescription drugs without a prescription. Targeting locations where you are not licensed. Trade sanctions violation, geographically targeting embargoed countries or territories. Ad campaigns that run on behalf of businesses located in embargoed countries or regions. Ad campaigns that are run by, or on behalf of, entities or individuals that are restricted under applicable trade sanctions and regulations. Sexually explicit content, text, image, audio, or video of graphic sexual acts intended to arouse. Using content promoting underage, non-consensual, or other illegal sexual themes, either simulated or real. For more information, visit the Google Ads Help Center.